I am here today to talk to you guys about how I'm going to be changing my relationship with sewing. So I've been listening to the audiobook version, or the audio version of the book called The 12-Week Year. So I've decided that I want to structure my relationship with sewing based on the principles mentioned in the book. So in the book, The 12-Week Year, the authors basically just talk about how you should focus on setting goals based on a 12-week span with an N, no D at the end. But how you should focus on setting goals for a 12-week span. And then once you have your goals set, you then need to identify some tactics that you need in order to complete those goals. Once you've identified your goals and then your tactics, the next thing that you do is you kind of recap and hone in on those tactics every day. So the first way that I will be changing my relationship with sewing is I will be changing the way that I set goals for my sewing project and just sewing as a whole. My sewing goal is to make 3 outfits at the end of the 12-week span. When I say outfit, I mean it could be 2 pieces, so it could be a top and a bottom, or an outfit can be 1 full body piece, so like a dress or like a jumpsuit. So that's what I mean. More specifically, 12 weeks means from January 1st to March 26th. Putting that all together, that means that by March 26th, my goal is to have a total of anywhere between 3 to 6 pieces. And that would be my 3 outfits. My goal is to make clothes for the spring season. Since the 12-week span ends in March, the mini collection that I'm creating, it'd be nice to like actually kind of reveal it to the public. So that is the goal. And so since I'm gonna be making spring clothes, I did do some research to see what's going to be trending, because you know the girl has got to be like, she's gotta be on trend. She's gotta like, you know, she's gotta give what the others are giving, but in her own way, of course, you know. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video on what fashion trends to look out for and expect for this spring 2023. It'll be like a blend of spring/summer. But for now though, this is like an inspo board of some garments that I would like to make. Now, given that this is more than the 6 pieces that I have for my goal, I am planning on creating a poll so that you guys can help me like kind of figure out which ones to actually make, because I don't think I'll make all of these. I most likely will put the poll on Instagram. So if you're not already following me, make sure you go over to Instagram and follow me at SHANiA Inside so that you get to cast your vote when I put up a poll. But for now though, I'm going to be starting with this outfit right here, this cute gingham set. So the next like actual video will be of this. The second way that I'll be changing my relationship with sewing is I will be focusing on time management to allot for sewing on a daily basis. Now don't hold me to it because this is subject to change, but what I want to try to do is to sew on a daily basis in order to attain that, you know, 3 to 6 outfits by the end of 12 weeks, right? That's my goal. However, it's going to be for like a short period of time. So even if it's like 10 minutes or 15 minutes a day, and I want to record the process and upload it and kind of treat it like a sew along type of like project where each day that I sew, I'm working on a different part of the garment, and I may finish, you know, what I intended to finish, or I may not, but at least you'll get to see the work in progress and you'll get to kind of understand like the general steps. And then once I have those daily clips, I would then put them together to create the full-length video. The third way that I'll be changing my relationship with sewing is I will be focusing on creating intentional sewing projects that are connected to my lifestyle and not just trend-based how-to tutorial videos. So instead of me just making garments that are trending and I'm seeing in the stores and that I think you guys want to see, I'm going to make garments that I want to wear, and garments that not only that I want to wear, but garments that I will wear because there is an event connected to it. So whether it's something like, you know, my friend's birthday party and I want to make a dress for it. I might not stick with all of these plans, but I think it's worth a try, and anything to kind of streamline the process and make it sustainable so that I'm not burning out and so that you guys are continuing to get good content, good quality content on a consistent basis. So let's see how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below and let me know if you would like me to make a video on the spring/summer 2023 trends that you guys can look out for. Until next time, ciao.